Some important question of Prosden, the pie and tart. Dear student, subscribe my channel to get regular updates. Let's start. First question is Jean and Pierre have a lot of similarities, but the dramatist ensures that in spite of their similarities, they are different enough to be individuals. How are Jean and Pierre similar? The answer is both Jean and Pierre are jobless vagabonds. They have been caught many times by police for begging. Both look for easy way of living rather than search for a job earn their living. Both of them do not hesitate to lie or cheat to fulfill their needs. Both are clever and resourceful, having an ability to save themselves from a sticky situation. Their presence of mind. Both of them have many similarities as well as difference in their character. Jean is a better planner and Pierre is an obedient follower. Jean listens to conversation of Gaultier and his wife and hatches a plan of stealing the pie, but he does not tell the background of the plan but just tells Pierre to follow his instruction. Pierre follows its implicitly and is overjoyed to get the pie that he does not question the method. Second time Jean gets caught with Gaultier and get thrashed. He sends Pierre to Gaultier again, not telling him the reason. But Pierre with his presence of mind escape punishment but share the tart with Jean, though the latter tries to get him punished. Pierre has no vindictiveness in him. Second question. The line in italic given after the list of players are called stage direction. You find such stage direction although the play. What would happen to play if these were missing? The answer is the stage directions are given in the script of the play for the actor to know what they have to do and how they have to enact. This act as clues and prompts for the actor. If these instructions are not written down and are missing, an actor may forget to enact an action when required in the manner it has to be. These directions tells the actors about their time on stage and when they have to exit. Hence, the stage directions are the backbones to a good play. Give a character sketch of Gaultier. The answer is Mr. Gaultier is a baker in Paris. He is a man of about 50, well preserved and dubiously content with his lot. He is an excellent pastry cook whose products are popularly sold well. He is quite pompous of his achievement and feel that he is below his dignity to carry things with him outside. He is also a foolish and gullible person and get easily fooled by others. He is arrogant and order his wife about who obeys him quietly. He thinks that he is very easily fooled by two smart beggars, Jean and Pierre. Don't forget to subscribe to get informative videos. Thank you for watching my videos.